There's a sweet spot in wellness. Not too small, not overwhelming, just right. The Leil Como 3180 is a premium 3-person indoor sauna that delivers authentic Nordic sauna culture in a size that fits real homes and real lives. This is for small families who want to share the experience, for couples who occasionally include a friend, for wellness-focused individuals who want space to breathe without wasting square footage. This is smart sizing that doesn't compromise on quality, and that matters. Let's talk about what makes the Como 3180 the perfect middle ground. First, the footprint. At just over 71 inches wide, this sauna fits comfortably in spaces where larger models simply won't. Master bathrooms, finished basements, converted offices, and guest houses. But here's what's important. Inside, it feels spacious. 3 people can sit comfortably without feeling cramped. That's thoughtful design. The construction is pure Estonian craftsmanship. Premium Thermowood walls, nearly 1.5 inches thick, provide exceptional insulation and lasting durability. This isn't engineered wood or composite materials. This is authentic sauna-grade timber that will perform beautifully for decades. Inside, you'll immediately notice the aspen benches and backrest. Aspen is what serious sauna builders use because it stays comfortable even at peak temperatures. Natural, smooth, and perfectly heat resistant. The benches support genuine relaxation, not just sitting. The clear tempered glass door with modern black hardware creates an open, inviting atmosphere. Natural light flows in, you can see out. There's no closed-in filling. It's contemporary design that actually improves the experience while maintaining perfect heat retention. Here's where proper engineering makes a difference. The ventilation system. An adjustable ceiling vent works in harmony with elevated base airflow to create consistent circulation throughout the cabin. Fresh air comes in, used air moves out. The result is oxygen-rich heat that reaches all the way to your feet. No cold zones, no stuffy air, just a perfect sauna environment that makes every session something you actually look forward to. The 2-piece insulated ceiling panels maximize thermal efficiency while making installation straightforward. An adjustable feet, that means you can level it perfectly regardless of your floor situation. Whether this goes in a tile bathroom or a basement, it adapts. Want to make it yours? Add LED lighting to dial in the exact ambience you want. Install hexagon deco panels for a distinctive aesthetic touch. Choose your electric heater based on your preferences and room size. The Como 3180 gives you the foundation and the flexibility. Here's what people appreciate about the 3-person size. It's intimate enough for couples, but accommodating enough for small groups. It fits in homes where space matters, but quality can't be compromised. Now I want to ask you a question. Think about how this fits in your life. Morning sessions before the day starts, post-workout recovery that becomes routine, not special. Evening unwinding that helps you actually sleep better. Weekend rituals with your partner or close friends. The Como 3180 makes all of it accessible without dominating your home. And let's talk value. This is an investment in daily wellness. Not gym memberships you stop using, not spa packages that expire, not wellness trends that fade. This is a sauna in your home that improves your health every time you use it. Cardiovascular benefits, stress reduction, muscle recovery, better circulation, better sleep. These are documented, proven benefits of regular sauna use. You're also adding value to your property. Smart buyers recognize quality wellness features. They understand what premium materials and thoughtful design mean. The Como 3180 isn't just an amenity, it's an upgrade that matters. The Como 3180 represents generations of Finnish sauna tradition filtered through Estonian precision manufacturing. Every detail has a purpose. Every material is chosen for performance. Every measurement is optimized for real use. This is what you get when you refuse to compromise on quality, but respect the reality of space and budget. Premium materials, authentic construction, perfect sizing. The Leil Como 3180. Quality wellness that fits your life. To see more videos like these, or a curated selection of saunas, heaters, plunges, and steam showers, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure to visit us at saunaplace.com or give us a call at 931-516-6577. Our experts are here to guide you every step of the way.